is this an economy car or is this a sports car? Because if it's a sports car, the GR86 is faster and cheaper. Mm-hmm. If it's an economy car, the Prius is more efficient and cheaper. What is the point of this thing? Honda Prelude.
This thing was so disappointing.
Yeah.
That's what everybody says is disappointing.
It is disappointing.
It's a Honda Civic hybrid with a different body.
With some Type R bits.
It's still a Honda Civic hybrid, Mason.
It's the drivetrain from the Civic hybrid. And this kind of fills the vacuum that the Civic Coupe left. They stopped making the Civic in a two-door in 2020. So this a little bit kind of fills that.
It would make way more sense if you just called it a Civic Coupe and not, I would say...
Well, and didn't price it at $40-something thousand.
Yeah, it's more than tarnished. They didn't tarnish the name. They sullied it.
Which kind of sucks because I love the way this thing looks.
Yeah, I think it looks amazing.
All the criticism this car has gotten, nobody has a problem with the way it looks.
I completely agree. It looks awesome. It's not overdone.
And that's pretty. That's beautiful. Like, it's very simple. It looks great. Why is it $40,000?
I don't like the big plastic diaper. The black. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Aside from that, I think it looks great. That looks so good.
It does look a little like a Prius in the front, which isn't a bad thing. I like the look of the new Prius. Prelude, for those that don't know, was a sport compact two-door from Honda, produced from 1978 to 2001, I think. But it's really the fourth and fifth gen that everyone wants from the 90s. Yeah, that they pulled a little bit of inspiration from, I think. This new version is built on the Civic platform with some bits from the Type R. It has the track width of the Type R and some of the suspension components of the Type R. And it fills the void left by the two-door Civic that left a couple of years ago. The base model starts at $42,000.
The test driver's not even smiling.
It's very underpowered. And I understand Honda's not about power, but for what you're paying, I think it's fair to expect a little bit more.
What are we dealing with for horsepower here?
200 flat. What's crazy? This is $42,000. Do you know what's also $42,000? A Nissan Z with 400 horsepower. Literally twice the power for an extra $900. I'm not advocating you get a Nissan Z.
That is a better deal, and the Nissan Z is not a good deal.
I honestly, at 42, it's a much better deal than it was. It's come down in price, but
yeah, they had to because nobody was buying them.
They keep harping on how fuel efficient this thing is, which is like, great.
Who cares?
I don't know if you guys can read the room, but that's not why we wanted you to return this vehicle.
Yeah, like, hey, the Prelude was a great performance car. You should totally bring it back as a freaking hybrid that's too heavy.
This reminds me of when they brought back the CRX as the CRZ.
Yeah.
And it was like, oh, you guys like that? Well, here's this new super fuel efficient hybrid thing that kind of looks like it. Like, that's not what we wanted.
Yeah.
They're a 2-liter 4-cylinder hybrid, makes 200 horsepower.
It's a very rare miss from Honda.
It's front-wheel drive, which isn't a surprise. The original was front-wheel drive. All their platforms in this segment are front-wheel drive. And no manual transmission on this either.
What is the point of a Prelude?
Right? What are we doing? This is just a two-door Civic. A way overpriced two-door Civic.
Yeah.
We also get the more powerful version, by the way. It's neutered in Europe.
Down to what?
181.
That sounds like a lot, though, for a Miata. That's the horsepower of a Miata.
I mean, that's 10% of the power in a car that weighs way more than a Miata.
How much does it weigh?
So here's a Prelude, $42,000, 200 horsepower, almost 3,300 pounds, which is not light. 0 to 60, we don't have official times, but the same drivetrain in the Honda Civic is 6.2. This somehow weighs more than the Civic, which has 4 doors.
Is that the Honda Civic hybrid, though?
Yeah, but this is the hybrid too. This does not have a manual, but the Civic does.
Yeah, that doesn't make any sense. Who is this for?
It's front-wheel drive. It gets 44 miles a gallon, which again, if that's what you care about, the Prius starts at 28 and gets 57 miles a gallon.
Yeah.
The Toyota GR86 is 30, and it has more power. It weighs way less. It's faster. It's rear-wheel drive, and it's got a manual transmission. That is, from a sporty, fun-to-drive car perspective, the GR86 is infinitely better and $12,000 cheaper. The Civic Hybrid is still more fuel efficient.
And it doesn't matter what you compare it to. The Prelude loses in every single category.
I just don't know why it costs so much. Where does the cost come from? You took off 2 of the doors.
Because it says Prelude on it, Mason, and they think someone's going to buy it because it says Prelude.
It's going to come down in price. It's going to have to, or they're going to stop selling it.
Yeah. They're going to go like, well, I guess nobody wants our Prelude.
You guys asked for Prelude, and we made it, and you didn't buy it, so I guess we'll never do it again. Yeah. They're going to learn the wrong lesson.
It's a very, very rare miss from Honda.
It wouldn't hurt so much if it didn't look so good.
I know. It looks amazing.
If it was ugly, it would be easy to hate it.
Yeah. It looks amazing.